In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize data by date in Excel. Organizing your data efficiently can be a game changer, and doing so by date is often crucial for keeping things in order and easy to navigate. Whether you're tracking project timelines, analyzing sales data, or just trying to make sense of your schedule, sorting by date can provide the clarity you need. Let's dive in and explore a straightforward yet effective method to achieve this, ensuring you can swiftly switch from having the oldest entries at the top to the most recent ones, depending on your requirement. To kick things off, you want to make sure that the column housing your dates is correctly formatted. Excel needs to see these as dates to process them properly, so go ahead and format this column as a date type if you haven't already done so. This ensures that Excel handles your data accurately during sorting. Once you're confident your dates are correctly formatted, it's time to move to the next step. Highlight the entire data range and remember to include those all-important column headers. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for a clean, organized sort. With your selection made, head over to the Data tab on your Excel ribbon and click on the Sort option. This action will pull up a dialog box that allows you to customize your sorting preferences. Since you included the headers when selecting your data, you'll notice a checkbox labeled My Data Has Headers. Leave this box checked. This small detail ensures that your column names will appear accurately in the Sort By drop-down menu, minimizing any chance of confusion. For illustrative purposes, let's select Date of Birth as the column to sort. This column will serve as our focal point for organizing the data. Under the Order section, you have two options. You can either opt for oldest to newest or reverse it to newest to oldest, depending on how you want your information displayed. For now, let's start with arranging the data oldest to newest and then click OK. Excel will work its magic and you'll immediately see your dates restructured, beginning with the earliest entries at the top. But what if you change your mind and want to display your data starting with the most recent dates? No worries, you can easily alter the order by repeating the steps. Just head back to your sort settings and choose newest to oldest instead in that final selection step. Excel's flexibility allows you to reshape your data display to suit your needs swiftly. By following these simple steps, you'll transform your Excel data into a powerful, well-organized tool that's ready to inform and impress.